Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed what are integers. In this video we will learn how to place integers on a number line. Our today's topic is integers on a number line. Here a number line has been shown and we will place numbers on it. We start from 0. What comes after 0? After 0 it comes 1. If we move towards the right side, we write what comes the next number. What comes after 1? It comes 2. Then it comes 3. I repeat, we are moving towards the right. We will write the next number. What comes after 3? It comes 4. Then it comes 5. After 5 it comes 6. And then it comes 7. We are moving towards the right. We are moving in an increasing order. But what comes if we move towards the left side of the 0? What will be the next number if we move towards the left side of 0? Think about it. If we need to mark a number to the left side of 0, we mark it as -1. And the number to the right side of 0 is marked as +1. I repeat, if we move towards the right side of 0, we use as +1. And if we move towards the left side of 0, we mark this number as -1. We will use negative sign with this number. Here a number line has been shown. We will place the numbers on it. We start from the 0. And if we move towards the right side, we write it as +1, +2, +3 and +4. And if we move towards the left side, which sign we will use? We will use -1. And the next number will be 2. But we will use minus sign with it. The next number will be -2 if we move towards the left side on the number line. Then it comes -3. We use negative sign with these numbers if we are moving towards the left side of 0 on the number line. And then it comes -4. We use positive sign if we are moving towards the right side, and we use negative sign if we are moving towards the left side of 0. 0. Which sign we will use with 0? Plus or minus? Think about it, students. Which sign we will use with 0? Let me tell you. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is a neutral number. We don't use any sign with 0 as it is a neutral number. All the numbers to the right side of 0 are marked with positive sign or plus sign, and all the numbers to the left side of 0 are marked with minus. Here a number line has been shown and some of the numbers are already placed on it and some of the numbers are missing. We have to write these numbers. If we move towards the right side, what will be the next number? The next number will be +1. After 0 it comes 1, and which sign we will use? Plus. We will write plus with this number. Then the next number is +2. What comes after plus 2? It comes plus 3. What it comes? Plus 3. And then next number is plus 4. What will be the next number if we move towards the left side of 0? If we move towards the left side of 0, what will be the next number? It will be minus 1. After 0 it comes 1 and we use minus with it if we are moving towards the left side of 0. Then it comes minus 2 and next number will be minus 3. After 2 it comes 3 and we will use minus with this number. And then next number will be minus 4. I repeat, we use plus sign if we are moving towards the right side of 0 and we use negative sign or minus if we are moving towards the left side of 0. Here a number line has been shown and some of the numbers are placed on it and some are missing. We will write the missing numbers. As we can see that 0 is written and on the right side there are two numbers placed, plus 1 and plus 2. But on the left side some of the numbers are missing. What comes after 0 if we are moving towards the left side? It is minus 1. And then what it comes? Think about it. What comes after minus 1 if we are moving towards the left side? It is minus 2. This is minus 2. And what will be the next number? It is minus 3. It is minus 3. Then it comes minus 4 and after minus 4 what it comes? Yes, very good. It comes minus 5. It comes minus 5. Here a number line has been shown and some of the numbers are already placed on it and some are missing. We are moving towards the left side. What comes after minus 1? Yes, you can tell me. It is minus 2. And then what comes after minus 2? We are moving towards the left side. Yes. Minus 3. Yes, this is minus 3. And then it comes minus 4. What comes after minus 4? The numbers are in an increasing order, but we use negative sign with it. The next number will be, very good, minus 5. The next number is minus 5. Then it comes minus 6. As the next number after 5 is 6 and we use minus sign with it. Then minus 7 is written. What comes between minus 7 and minus 9? This is minus 8. This is minus 8. Don't forget to write the minus sign if we are moving towards the left side. In this video, we have discussed how to place the integers on a number line. In the next video, we will learn about the comparing integers, how to compare the integers. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.